In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and divide cells in a spreadsheet using simple formulas. We're keeping this simple and clear, using the exact actions you need. When I say box, I'm talking about a cell in your spreadsheet. This works the same way in most spreadsheet tools, like Excel or Google Sheets. The goal is to create a result in one cell that depends on values in other cells. So when those values change, your result updates automatically. Let's start with adding two cells. Click into the cell where you want the total to appear. This is your result cell. Type the equals sign. That tells the spreadsheet you're creating a formula, not just typing text. Now click on the first box you want to include in the addition. You'll see its reference appear after the equals sign. Type the plus sign, then click on the second box you want to include. You've just built a live formula that adds those two cells together. Press enter to finish. Your result cell now shows the sum, and if either of the original cells changes, the total will update instantly. If you're curious what you just made, it looks like equals the first cell plus the second cell. But don't worry about memorizing anything. Clicking the boxes inserts the references for you, which helps avoid typing mistakes and keeps everything linked to your data. Now let's do a division. Click into the cell where you want the answer to appear. Type the equal sign again to start a new formula. Click on the box that you want to divide, which is your numerator. Type the /, which is the division operator. Then click on the other box, the one you're dividing by, your denominator. Press enter. You'll see the result of that division right away, and just like before, it will update if the source cells change. A quick tip here: if you see an error or something unexpected in the division result, make sure the second box isn't empty or 0 because dividing by 0 isn't allowed. Also, if any of the reference cells are blank, your result may not look right until you add values. That's all there is to it. Equals to start. Click your first box, use the plus for addition or the / for division. Click your second box and press enter. With these two simple formulas, you can build flexible calculations